Marlin cost really measures for the years 2022, 2025, 2030. In an unobtrusive way we here will especially give you the 10 years organized cost assumptions for Marlin Pond, or so they generally thought. The Marlin especially has very soon gained truly phenomenal thought that crypto monetary sponsor in every practical sense are intrigued and glancing through the requests like in a real sense, is Marlin Pond a shrewd endeavor in a very significant way? Is Pond truly worth buying in 2021? What will explicitly be the expense increase for year 2022, 2023, 2025 and 2023? Which in every practical sense is very huge. How high can Marlin go? Marlin past price analysis. According to the latest market data today, the expense of Marlin Pond is 0009. And Pond generally is at exceptionally present, situated 495 in the extremely entire crypto market, which basically is very critical. The stream supply of Pond really is 3,906,753,055 with a market cap of 33,598,368 in latest 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In the past 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been somewhere near 204 in its continuous expense regard, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Expecting we in a real sense, take a gander at the 24-hour market cap of the Marlin with yesterday's. You can truly see that the market cap, all things considered, is similarly in diving design in an unpretentious way. Marlin essentially is at this point defying a fundamentally difficult stretch, bouncing on board with especially other crypto coins, watching out in every way that really matters huge way. The Pond certainly is down to very almost 46.90 over the latest 7 days as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin in a real sense is at this point showing betting with illustrating segments for late days. The coin could solid areas for have, regardless we don't truly feel that it would a useful asset in truly short term. Within the latest 30 days the expense of Pond basically has been someplace close change, taking out a bewildering kind of typical expense of 0002 from its continuous expense in a sort of significant manner. This unforeseen diving improvement suggests that the coin especially is in plunge at the genuinely present time, and it might essentially be a good buy, a sort of possible exceptionally open entryway for quick endeavor, or so they really thought. The 90 days cost change especially is close 7137. And the expense circumnavigated from a base commonplace certainly worth of 0028 to most prominent typical kind of worth of 0030 in the past 90 days in a kind of significant manner. Marlin explicitly is someplace close 7073 with the most kind of outrageous commonplace expense of the coin for the most part was around 0029. And the base average worth of was around 0028 in past 4 months, which is very huge. Marlin price forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We in a real sense expect future Pond cost assumptions. Marlin figures by applying significant truly counterfeit learning, pretty particular analysis on the bona fide esteem data of Marlin in an unpretentious manner. We generally do our absolute best to assemble most noteworthy real data for the Pond coin, which in every practical sense consolidate various components like sort of past, worth, market cap, volume, and that's simply the start, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Expecting you basically are wanting to place assets into cryptographic currency market. Sincerely attempt to all things considered scrutinize our gauges. Marlin price prediction for 2022. According to our check in 2022, the expense of Marlin truly should reach in any event level of 0008. The Pond cost can explicitly show up at a generally in every way that really matters outrageous by and large worth of 0009. With the common trading cost of 0009. Marlin price prediction for 2023. According to the measure cost and fundamentally particular assessment in 2023, the expense of Marlin in a real sense is expected to truly reach at the exceptionally in every practical sense, least most certainly worth of 0014 in a by and large significant manner. the pond cost can sort of show up at a biggest level of 0.016, with the normal trading cost of 0.014. In a significant manner Marlin price forecast 2024-2025, the expense of Marlin really is expected to generally reach essentially level of 0.020 in 2024. The Marlin cost can generally show up at a most by and large outrageous level of 0.024, with a run-of-the-mill cost of 0.020 all through 2024, which for the most part is very critical. The expense of Marlin explicitly is expected to arrive at in any event of 0.028 in 2025, which is genuinely critical. The Marlin cost can show up at a most sort of outrageous level of 0.034, with a run-of-the-mill cost of 0.029 all through 2025, which is genuinely huge lake price. Prediction for 2026 Marlin cost certainly is figure to show up at a practically minimal level of 0.041 in 2026 or so they by and large thought. As per our revelations the pond cost could basically show up at a biggest level of 0.047, with the common figure cost of 0.042. Which is genuinely critical lake price prediction for 2027, according to our specific assessment on undeniable worth data of pond in 2027, the expense of Marlin truly is assessed to in a real sense, be at around a base really worth of 0.061. The Marlin esteem fundamentally worth can show up at a restriction of 0.072. With the commonplace trading worth of 0.063 and USD in an extremely significant way. Marlin price prediction for 2028, the expense of one Marlin pond should truly reach at the exceptionally practically minimal level of 0.087 in 2028. Which for the most part is very huge. The pond cost can show up at a most genuinely outrageous level of 0.10, with the commonplace expense of 0.090. All through 2028 Marlin price prediction forecast for 2029, according to the measure and significant genuinely concentrated assessment in 2029, the expense of Marlin should reach at the actual kind of the least worth really worth, of 0.12 or so. They generally thought the pond cost can show up at a biggest worth truly worth of 0.15, with the ordinary worth of 0.12 in every way that really matters significant way. Marlin pond price prediction for 2030. The expense of Marlin in every practical sense should in a real sense arrive at in any event worth of 0.18 in 2030. Extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking the Marlin cost could show up at a biggest kind of worth of 0.21, with the run-of-the-mill trading cost of 0.18 all through 2030 Marlin price prediction for 2031 Marlin cost is measured to show up at a most marked down possible level of 0.27 in 2031, in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by our disclosures, the pond cost could generally show up at an undoubtedly outrageous possible level of 0.31. With the common guess cost of 0.27 Marlin price prediction facts, what explicitly is the Marlin cost today, which is genuinely critical today, the expense of Marlin pond, sort of is 0.009, with the market cap of 33,598,368,000.